The sensing cycle is the first phase of the wash. During this time, the washer's load sensors and control board work together to weigh the clothes and determine how much water is needed. If the washer gets stuck on sensing, it could be due to a control board glitch or an unbalanced load. To reset a stuck sensing cycle, you have two simple options. First, unplug the washer completely for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the control board to fully reset. Second, you can press and hold the power and start pause buttons together for 10 seconds. This alternative method also resets the control board and can resolve the issue without unplugging. For more complex resets, some models have an internal reset button. This often clears control board errors and gets your washer working again without needing replacement parts. The lid lock on your Maytag Centennial washer uses a solenoid to magnetically engage and prevent the lid from opening during cycles, ensuring safety. If the lid lock fails, it could be due to power surges or wear, causing the washer to remain locked or unlocked inappropriately. To troubleshoot, first unplug the washer for safety. Then, check the lid switch for continuity using a multimeter. The switch should show proper resistance when tested. If the lid lock is broken and cannot be fixed by checking continuity, it may require replacement. Replacement involves using a screwdriver to remove the old assembly and install a new one, costing between $20 and $50. Clogs in the drain pump cause drainage stalls in your Maytag Centennial washer. Start by cleaning the filter screen at the pump. This prevents most issues. Check for lint, coins, or soap buildup. Regular cleaning prevents 70% of drain issues. First, ensure safety by unplugging the washer from the electrical outlet to avoid any risk of electric shock. Locate the drain pump filter screen, typically found at the bottom front of the washer. Refer to your manual or look for the access panel. Remove the filter screen carefully. Check for lint, coins, or soap buildup. Clean it thoroughly under running water, using a soft brush if needed. Reinstall the cleaned filter securely. Plug the washer back in and run a test cycle to ensure proper drainage. For prevention, clean the filter screen annually. This simple maintenance prevents 70% of drain-related problems. If cleaning the drain system doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may be a failing drain pump motor. Replacement pumps for Maytag Centennial washers cost between $50 and $100. When purchasing a replacement, ensure you buy a part that's compatible with your specific Maytag Centennial model to avoid installation problems. Installation requires following the manufacturer's detailed instructions, which typically involve accessing the pump through the bottom panel and connecting hoses properly. Most importantly, always unplug the washer from the electrical outlet before beginning any repair work to prevent electric shock. Many Maytag Centennial washer fixes are DIY friendly, helping you save money on repairs. Simple tasks like sensing resets or clearing drain clogs work for most common issues and can be done with basic tools. However, call a professional if you're uncomfortable with electrical work, such as dealing with control boards or sensors. Attempting these without proper knowledge can lead to further damage or injury. Seek professional help if problems persist after DIY attempts or for complex repairs like replacing the drain pump. Always prioritize safety by unplugging the washer before any work. Preventive maintenance is essential for keeping your Maytag Centennial washer running smoothly and avoiding costly repairs. Regular cleaning is key. Clean the lint filter after each load to prevent clogs that can cause drainage issues. This simple step prevents about 70% of common problems. Inspect the drain pump annually for buildup and wear. Regular checks can catch issues early, saving you from stuck cycles and repair costs. Avoid overloading the washer to prevent strain on components like the lid lock and sensors. This reduces wear and extends the machine's lifespan. Use the appropriate amount of HE detergent to avoid excess suds that can cause drainage and sensing problems. Follow manufacturer guidelines for best results. Appliance repair is evolving towards sustainability. DIY fixes reduce e-waste by extending appliance lifespans and minimizing environmental impact. Future washers will feature app-based diagnostics, potentially automating resets and drain checks through IoT connectivity. Stay informed about these advancements to keep your appliances running longer and more efficiently.